Hello friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to use NVIDIA Broadcast on any software. Especially now in this video, we are learning how to use NVIDIA Broadcast in Vegas Pro. So everyone is know how to install NVIDIA Broadcast. You can simply search and download from your any browser. After installation, you can see here there is a symbol is here, NVIDIA Broadcast. Okay, and also we just open this one. The first option in the audio tab, you can see here this audio tab. First option is noise removal. Simply click here to activate this, and also click the symbol here to adjust the strength. I'm always put this there is too much background noise, so I always use 100%. So that's it, simple techniques. Just minimize this. Then we just open Vegas Pro. Here you can see my audio track is ready, and go to options. Okay, go to options, then select preference. After selecting this one, you can see here there is an option for audio device. Just open that. Then you can see here the first option is audio device type. Just click here. Normally this one is Microsoft Sound Mapper. You change that to Windows Classic WebDriver. Okay, then click apply, then OK. Then just come here, which track you need to record your voice or voiceover. Just click that track, then right click. Okay, then you can see here there is an option of input. Select that. Automatically there is only one option, Windows Classic WebDriver. Okay, select that. Then go to stereo. Then you can see here there is three options. This is my microphone, this is my another microphone, and there is a microphone NVIDIA Broadcast. Just select that. Then you can click the button. We are ready to record your voice. So in this way you can easily use Microsoft NVIDIA Broadcast. And this Vegas Pro is one of the best audio recording software I ever used. I used Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and also Audacity. And this kind of feeling not given by those softwares. Especially, you can see here there is an option for track effects. Then I use reverb from here, like these settings, -44. It is the best smooth echo sound you can hear. So that's it, guys. Very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone, PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.